guys, this is Cubyr, and for day 4 of tutorial week, I'll be teaching you how to solve the 1x3x3. So this is a super floppy cube, and it can shapeshift into other shapes other than just a normal 1x3x3, but if your cube cannot shapeshift, that's fine. I'll be teaching it kind of both ways. So first of all, let's just scramble it. If your cube can't shapeshift, then you can skip this step that I'm about to do. So once you have this, you need to get it into a normal cube shape. This is intuitive, pretty much, and you basically just move around the edges of the cube until you get a 1x3x3 shape. But sometimes you'll get a case like this, where you have an L on the top, and no matter which way you move it, it won't line up correctly. So what you need to do is line it like this, bring the left side down, or you can use the right side. Bring it down, and then over, and back up. Once you have it in normal cube shape, you do not solve the top or bottom. Instead, you solve the ring that makes up the sides. This is pretty easy. In the case we have right now, you can just do an L2 and R2, and then you have these two sides solved, and then you just move this over since these two pieces are switched, orange and red, red and orange, just flip that. Although sometimes you'll get a case like this where it's red and orange, and then orange and red the other way. So the two pieces that need to be switched are on a diagonal. And then what you need to do is, since the blue and green are switched normally, switch them first, and then switch the red and orange. Now, for this last step, it might depend on whether or not your cube can shapeshift, but the easiest way to solve this last step is to orient your cube like this, so that the middle layer is sticking out, and then just rotate the edges, and you should be able to do that to whatever point it is, where it is solved, without messing up the outer ring. However, if your cube can't do that, there are several cases that you'll need to know. This is one of the cases. This is a very easy one. It's just when two opposite each other are switched. And remember, if your cube can't shapeshift, then you won't have anything like this. You'll only have the white and the yellow that are switched. So if you do get something like this, where this is just turned once and not a 180-degree turn, then that means that your cube can shapeshift and you are allowed to move it like this. But if you're not, then you get a case like this. Orient it so that it's on the top and bottom, and do M2, move the little middle layer twice, U2, M2, U2. Pretty simple. This is another case where you have two right next to each other that need to be flipped. So just do L2, U2, L2, U2, L2, U2. So this is the final case. This is just where you have a checkerboard pattern, and remember, the ring is solved. You should always solve the ring first, but if you get this, then you can just do the M2, U2, M2, U2, and then turn it, M2, U2, M2, U2. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and for tomorrow, we will be doing the void cube.